Okay, hi everyone. My name is Gabrielle Patrick. I'm the CEO of Knabu. Knabu stands for UBank. It's U-B-A-N-K, spelled backwards. This is as creative as we got with our name. And the problem that we're looking to solve is the problem of certain segments not being able to obtain bank accounts today in the UK and internationally. So companies such as blockchain technology companies, remittance companies, gaming companies, they all are severely underserved. We're looking to fill that gap. We're also looking to tackle the problem of an outdated bank model. Most banks today run on legacy systems which are anachronistic. They run on legacy systems which typically cannot speak to each other or speak to each other in a sub-optimal way. We're looking to correct that. And also as businesses, the corporate banking services that we use are clumsy and slow and at times expensive. So we're also looking to correct that problem. We're a blockchain technology team, a blockchain technology company that's currently in our UK clearing banking process. We're about 11 months in. And by a clearing bank, I mean a bank that has a direct settlement account with the Bank of England. So the way the hierarchy works in the UK is you have the Bank of England and then you have clearing banks, which sits right under. And typically smaller banks or fintechs have to clear through these clearing banks in order to move money within the UK financial services ecosystem. So we're looking to be a UK clearing bank. Our addressable market is pretty huge, both in terms of the clearing banking sector, the blockchain technology sector, who are our immediate customers in addition to fintechs, and in terms of payments. So we're looking to service about 10% of that market. We're also looking to be, as a clearing bank, specifically a narrow bank, which means that we will not have a lending portfolio. This type of model was described in a Bank of England paper, May 2018, as a future-forward bank model that would be ideal in terms of being a custodian of central bank digital currencies. So that's all to say that we believe that we are future-forward. So that's our model, B2B, no retail, no lending. As a high volume throughput to the payment schemes, we'll be providing corporate business bank accounts to neglected sectors as a first phase. And the second phase would be to deploy some financial products that we think are a little bit more blockchain aligned. So this is just a representation of what our infrastructure would look like: a core banking engine with a third-party application integration, obviously plugged into the Bank of England's direct reserve settlement account as the lender of last resort. And we would like to plug into public blockchains. The reason for that is we feel that we could leverage some of the advantages of faster, cheaper transactions and some of the advantages of blockchain technology to prove processes in a way that would rip out some of the costs associated with manual inefficiencies related to a bank. So we already have commercial traction. We have about 400 pre-product requests without really doing much marketing. A lot of those are B2B. We have established partnerships with a company called Chainalysis, which is a large investigative software blockchain company and one of the largest national settlement depositories in the world. We've started this process in 2012, building the regulatory relationships, and then we've started our regulatory licensing in July 2017, and so we feel that we are on track to be licensed by the end of this year. We need £1.5 million to make this happen. Specifically, this is for hires. This is what the regulators are looking from us at this time. They want to see the people in place so that we could grow and scale. This is for engineers, bankers, corporate governance heads, compliance, fin crime, et cetera, et cetera. We've been building technology as this license process has been progressing, and what we're focusing on is a Bitcoin payments model if we get a premature approval, which we're hoping to get in a couple of months. But if not, we will collapse that into our core banking proposition for the end of this year. So we have a super duper team. I'm a lawyer by training. I've been focusing on financial services for about 20 years. I also have a focus on AML compliance. And our technologist has also been in the blockchain space for a long time. And that's us. Thank you for the time.